Here I've got SONY SmartWatch 2 and let me show you how to change the brightness on the following device. At first you have to unlock the screen, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick display, which is under watch faces, and go to the brightness. Just click on it, and now simply by tapping on the scale you can change the brightness on your device, on your SONY watch, and also you can pick the option adapt to lighting conditions, so just click here to do it, and from now on the brightness will be automatically adapted to the actual conditions of light. But let me switch it off, as I would like to have the brightness on the highest level. So that's it. Now you can personalize it, you can change it whenever you want to, or pick the automatic option of adapting the light to the conditions. So that's it. This is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.